Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful humans. How are you all? So today I'll be sharing part two of this passage makeover series. In part one, I did the ceiling makeover. If you haven't already watched the video, please go and watch the video. I hope you like it. Today you will get to see how I take over this wall beside me, which used to look something like this. So I started by clearing and cleaning up the space. Then I prepared the wall surface by sanding it with 120 grit sandpaper. Next, I took regular off-white paint from National Paints in a cup and brush painted approximately 2 inch of the wall edge with it. After the paint dried, I cleaned the dust particles from the wall and the floor. I then painted the entire wall surface with the same off-white paint as a base coat. After the paint dried overnight, I taped the edge of the wall with the masking tape. To get the limewash effect, I took two colors, off-white and mushroom by National Paints. I took a thick painting brush, dipped it in both the paints, and then began painting the wall in a crisscross pattern. Same way I sanded and painted a new switch to replace it with the old one. I replaced the old switch with the painted one. Remember how the wall used to look? Well, this is how it looks now.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you're enjoying it. Please stay tuned for the next video. I'll be posting videos every Sunday, inshallah.